Guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy. Behind the camera is Michael. Michael, say hi to everyone.
Hey.
And Ginger's right behind you. Look at her. And I know what Teddy is. Teddy boy! Oh, there's my little Tete. Okay, hi everyone. And okay, well, today is Saturday. It's 12:53 p.m. in the afternoon. And it's January the 13th on a Saturday, 2018. So we're in that new year. And I got these pork chops, you know. And I said they're very thin, so what we're going to do today is we're going to fry some thin pork chops.
Oh yeah.
Put them in oil like that.
Thin cut.
Thin cut pork chops. We're going to make them all nice and crispy. Get back, Mike. I want you
Getting back.
and then at the same time, we're going to be making potato fries.
Double whammy.
The only thing is that I cut them. See my potatoes here? Come here.
Sure.
You can show everyone. You see, I got all my potatoes here. I just cut them with skin and all. I just took a little bit of the skin, like from the top, like that, like a little bit here, a little bit there. Cut them, bam, bam, bam. Square little tiny squares.
Square it up,
So we're gonna make some French fries. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put everything in. Okay.
Yes.
And as soon as I put everything in, we're gonna go on a break. And when we come back, then I'm not gonna be speaking. Michael's gonna be coming back. We're going to be turning these to the other side nice and brown.
That's right.
And turning the potatoes nice and brown. Then when everything is done, then we'll be back and we're going to eat that delicious pork chops.
Oh, yeah.
All nice and seasoned.
Season up.
Delicious. So I'll see you in a little bit. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us, you know where, on Instagram, on Twitter, on YouTube, on, what else, Michael? Don't forget to touch the notification button and we'll be back like in, another 7-8 minutes from now. See you soon. Yes, I said we were going to come back in 8 minutes, but we didn't. I forgot to tell you about what I season everything. The potatoes have nothing. As you can see, you saw them. I put them there. So I put it like an A, which is like a medium high, but a little bit lower than high, so they can cook efficiently and nice and brown. And then the pork chops, I season it. Usually people put salt, pepper, double seasoning, oregano, blah, blah, blah. But I put beef fajita seasoning because for some reason I have found that the taste is unbelievable. I mean, of another world. You have to actually do it to know what I'm talking about. But not everybody has to follow that. Everybody can do whatever they want. But it's fajita seasoning consists of salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano flakes. Everything is in there. Just crush that all together and you put it on the top. So that's what's up. So let me just flip these because I think I can smell them. Can you smell them?
Smell it up, smell it up.
Try to cook a little like this.
Beautiful.
And here we go. Let's continue cooking.
It's beautiful.
And I'll see you guys in a little bit. Love you.
Woo!
Getting nice and crispy, my potatoes. And if we come over here, you guys can see them porky chops. And really good. Hey, look how beautiful. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Huh? How pretty that looks. Oh, hold on.
Beautiful.
Very hot. And pork chops. Huh?
Mmm.
Who's better than us? Huh?
Nobody.
Take the third one out. How it's gonna look. This is 2 of those pork chops. I'm gonna put them there. And then these are the potatoes that we were frying. So we're also, right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be for my husband. He's really hungry, right, Mike?
Really hungry.
Came down here.
We're very
cheese
hungry.
And pepperoni.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. There you go. I'm gonna put it like that. These are for him.
Wow,
And
look
then
at
I'm
those
gonna
pork
put a
chops.
little bit of ketchup where?
Where?
Yeah, ketchup in one of those plastic little things that we have. I think we have them all here. Hold on, Mike.
I don't know, but these fries are beautiful.
I don't know where they are, but I'm gonna put a little bit of
All right.
salt.
Salt it up, salt it
A
up.
little ketchup, Mike.
Yeah.
And you can bring down his stuff. So this is what we got, guys, for you guys. Yeah, ketchup and everything.
Thin cut pork chops.
Some cake from yesterday.
With
but
potato
anyway,
fries.
with square potato fries, mama style, right, Michael?
Square potato fries.
These are gonna be for Dad. So I'm gonna put them like that. It says in a napkin. And anyways, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, and touch that notification button so when we do videos like this, you guys can go in and just, you know what I'm saying, munch. And anyway, it's the third pork chop, so I want it like to, so you guys can see. Look at it. Oh my God, you know how good this is.
Taste it up, taste it up. Put it in front of that camera. Oh, let me see. Oh, can I get a piece? Can I? I put my hand out.
Hold on.
I asked for...
From Michael, we love you all.
You.
Have a nice weekend. These pork chops are delicious. Make them at home.
Let me get that.
And see you soon, maybe tomorrow for another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. Bye now, good cooking guys.